I tell you something? I want to eat tandoori chicken because that's my favorite. And my mom is going to help me to make it. And my mom is going to come. Mom, come here. And guys, can I tell you the chicken is ready? I think you love it. My voice is a little bit different, but I am Jay because my voice is different, okay? And my mom is going to help me to make it. Let's wait for a while. Hi guys, you can see the chicken is very yummy. It's almost we need to put the ginger paste. It will dust. Chili powder. Garam masala. A little bit more. Chili chicken masala. My mom's going to put more. Chicken is still waiting for a long time. Salt. Oh, it's very tricky, so hard. My mom is going to put it. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment to Jay's channel. Hi guys, now I'm putting yogurt. Oh my god. We need to mix it more. Yeah, well, we're going to mix with masala to chicken. Let's do it. Yeah, it's almost we need to mix it. Then we'll put it in the oven. Yeah, it is ready. I think you love it. We need to wait for like 1 hour. You can put it in the oven, in the hair fryer, but we're doing it in the hair fryer. Okay? Well, anything you have, when you have oven or hair fryer, you can comment in the link. When you have oven, comment. When you have hair fryer, subscribe. Oh, sorry guys. I'm going to tell you. It's already marinated for 1 hour. Now we're going to put it in the hair fryer. You can see it. I think...
2, 3, go.
Okay. Do you like the move? And my mom is going to help me and do this. When you're home, when you're playing football, when you make a goal, do this. Okay? It's ready. I'm going to put it in the oven. It is ready. We're going to put it. Press the button. Oh my God. Hi guys, it's ready to open. And oh my God, I think you like it and soft and hot and tasty. You can see the chicken nuggets. Hi guys, it's tasty and yummy, and now we're going to taste it. Oh my God, look at the back side. Oh my God, it's so hot. Mom, do you want to even try? Later? Okay. Yeah, Mom.